welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Weekly Reads, where I talk about the books that are in the past week and the ones that I'm reading currently. So basically, the books that I read in the past week are available in my Jan 2021 wrap up, and it's there down below. It's there up above. Go check it out to see all the books that I've read. Meanwhile, in February, like since February has just started, I have not completed any book yet. And meanwhile, I'm filming this kind of in the morning, so there's a lot of rush hour traffic outside, so ignore all the noises for real. Okay, cool. So the book that I'm like maximum done with at this point of time is the audiobook of The Last Thing to Surrender by Leonard Pitts Jr., which is a World War II story. The difference between other World War II books and this World War II book would be that this book talks a lot about racism, and it talks about the how the war affected Black Americans as well, and that's what I really like about the book. Plus, like I've stated before in my last weekly reads, the book not only focuses on like the central characters that we meet in the first chapter of the book, but it also focuses on all the other characters, and that's like giving equal weightage to their stories as well. So it's more like a series of incidents, a journey that these characters are being put through, and there's not just one character that we have to focus on, and that's what I really appreciate about this book. So the next book that I'm done with like 39%, 40% is The Only Plane in the Sky, An Oral History of 9/11. And again, this book is brilliant, I would say. It kind of captures the day very well. There's a 45-member cast reading out the book to you. There are, recordings from the cockpit that are just heartbreaking. And also, it talks about a lot of things that happened during that day, including like many things I didn't know. Apparently, for example, how there were like these fighter jets in sky to track hijacked planes and things like that. So yeah, it's very, very heartbreaking, and it's brilliant at the same time. I mean, the point is that this is something that you have to I would say encompass. It was a tragic day, right? It was a tragic day in American history, in world history, and this book kind of documents that tragedy in a manner that the future generations will never forget that this happened. And that's important because a tragedy has happened. You should not forget about it, or you should not forget the people who lost their lives because of it. And that's why I appreciate this book a lot. So that's that. The next book I'm kind of done. So I don't have a percentage for it because I'm reading it way in the middle, way outside, honestly. And it's this one. It's The Annihilation of Caste by P.R. Ambedkar. So this is a buddy read or a group read that's been hosted by Manya and Smriti from Sant Reads. And I'm kind of almost done with the book. I'm done with the speech part of it. So all of these flags are from the speech, the undelivered speech. And the first part, now, so basically Manya had suggested that we read the speech part of it first, and then we read the introduction by Arundhati Roy. So this is the this is the book with the Arundhati Roy introduction, and currently I'm reading her introduction, and once I'm done, then I'm done with the book. And also I think I have to even read the last few pages because that's like a note on the Pune Act. So that's that. A lot of things, a lot of questions in my mind regarding the book, a lot of opinions that I have. And if you see red flags, these are the pages, or these are paragraphs that I don't agree with, kind of. So it's going to be a nice discussion because we are going to be discussing it on Sunday. So that's cool. And now let's get on to the books that I started this week. The first book that I started this week was The Silent Patient. Yes. So this is the book that I started off for the TBR Tackle Readathon, which is a TBR readathon hosted by me. By the way, it's not too late to join in, okay? So if you're joining in, please post your TBR on Instagram and use the hashtag TBR Tackle, and we'll be there to watch your TBR, comment on it. So that's that. And yes, that's that. So so Silent Patient was the book that I had selected for a genre I love, and I do need a light read right now because I've been reading a lot of heavy books. This is heavy, even the 9/11 book is very heavy, and even the World War II book is very heavy. So that's why I wanted this in my life to just cleanse things up. So I'm kind of going slow with it, but I'm reading it whenever I feel overwhelmed. So yeah, that's that. Meanwhile, I don't think I'll give the book a good rating because I already don't like it, but it's like a good read to just like skim through, honestly. And the last book that I started like this week, and I just removed the jacket, and it's this one. This is When I Hit My Caste. That is Jem Hamid Zat Surli Hoti by Baburao Bagul, and this is translated from Marathi. And this was my book for the prompt short stories, and translated literature. So yeah, it's translated from Marathi and by Jerry Pinto, by the way. Jerry Pinto, again, a very famous Indian writer. And also it's a set of short stories about people from the lower castes who suffer because of untouchability and other social stigma like that. So by them, if you see, I'm reading like two books on caste. Like this is the first one and this is the second one. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, that's it. Those are the books that I'm reading currently. So I'm hoping that I finish Silent Patient ASAP. Like I want to finish it, and this I have to finish it this week because I have to be like ready for the discussion. And as for the audiobooks, I'm kind of like a bit slow with it. Even my earphones broke the other day, so I'm not able to listen to it for now. But yeah, that's that. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my Sunday upload. Bye. No, you know what? Maybe I'll have an upload on Friday. Just maybe. Okay, let's see. Okay, bye.